Yeah, I know March and April. I got out, the day I got out was that blizzard. And we had to go around the cities and go stay at Treasure Island.
It's crazy.
And that was April 11th.
Yeah.
I am hitting up the residentials with the S70 and the crew's coming behind me and they're doing all the touch-up work. How's that shovel?
It's nice to throw stuff.
Yeah. Michael and them still up there? Yeah.
I'm not sure where Michael went.
Yeah, I think Michael probably gonna bring up the snowblower from the back.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that's what he's doing. And then you guys can just touch up this stuff. It's better than shoveling the whole thing, so. Like that. Yeah, you should be able to push. Yeah. So I'm gonna go up to this lady's, this right by the college, you know that one?
Yep.
I'm gonna go get that one. You guys can, yeah, just do that. We'll get all the residentials and then downtown. And then we'll take a break and then we'll go up and get industrial. Yeah. There's the gang. Alright, so the gang is coming. Yeah, we'll do the front of our garage door too.
You guys see Mike's coat?
Mike's coat?
Coat, head off?
He took it off.
He messages me, he says he don't know where it's at.
In Ashley's car here. Or Emily's. Yeah, it's in Emily's. Alright guys, we've been doing this house for, I don't know, 5 years, 6 years. And this is one of the few houses we have. So, man, that was a lot of snow. I don't think any more snow is coming, do you think?
I don't know, but once it blows, man.
Yeah, we'll be back out.
It's just weightless, pretty much.
Oh, yeah.
And there's a lot of snow.
Right.
Oh my God, there's snow.
Shoot, I hope you brought up the snowblower. Shoot.
I thought you left it here or something.
Did they bring it back up? Get the snowblower? Did you guys bring that up here?
What's that?
Did you guys bring up the snowblower?
It's already in back.
Oh, it's already in back.
From the last time.
Okay. Sorry, bring that out, huh?
Yeah, to snow with this much snow, the small ones. Snow in there too.
Okay, hey, I'm gonna go up and get candies with that.
Okay. Just get the sidewalk part there.
Yeah,
then?
get sidewalk there.
And then sidewalk at Garvin's, or taking that up there?
I'll take that up there.
Okay.
I'll take up there. Me and Emily will finish up Garvin's.
Okay.
You guys go ahead and head downtown. Knock out downtown. Dude, if that works better, like for snow, have one bucket like that. You know.
I think that's what we might have to do. Well, when we have a lot of people up over there taking that snow wolf up.
Back drag. You can back drag it still. Yeah. Alright, all the gangs is here. Emily, after we get candies done, you will go meet me up at Garvin's. His deck, I don't think we can push any more underneath that thing.
Okay, so bring that scoop.
Yeah,
shovel.
bring that scoop. Okay. I'm gonna head up there with that little thing after I get done with candies.
Okay. So when I'm done with this, just head up there, give you a call first.
Go get candies and then let me know that you're heading up there.
Okay, so meet you over at the place across from the college.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright guys, so we are here at this location and we gotta go in a little, about a foot more here. What you think? We gotta invest in couple more of those scoops or what?
Yeah.
Takes a little while, but
It's like,
it's better.
I wish it was longer or something though. It's like
It's just
freaking
midget?
short.
Midget
Yeah.
or what? We'll be back out. Alright guys, I'm gonna set you guys up and I'm gonna record. Hey, don't take off with this camera. Don't take off. Plugging, so might as well just leave it off. That's what I think there's supposed to be like another deal on this back end. Alright guys, so we got all of our residentials and our downtowns done, and now we're gonna go grab supper. I'll take everybody out, go grab supper, and then we're gonna continue, you know? You don't want to wait until it's all, you gotta keep up with it. You gotta, right now it's, the winds died down, no snow, we might as well clean it up, and yeah, before we get like 5-foot drifts, you know, up on industrial. So.
And all the snow came up.
Yeah.
And I really didn't hear anything hit it, but I heard it crack.
Alright guys, the windows cracked in the winter. See that?
It's all the way to the passengers.
Where did it hit?
It just
right
like
in the middle?
all the snow came up, and then I could hear it just go click,
Wow.
and I was like crossed.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying. Like I don't know if it was ice or snow or what, but
Okay. We'll just get a new one. It's replaceable. We'll get it in, or we'll get my insurance to cover it. It's free glass deductible.
yeah.
Free glass. As long as it's
Yeah,
not,
you can't
doesn't-
feel it.
Yeah.
But it
As
just.
long as it doesn't freaking break all in front
Oh
of
my
you.
God! Don't even say that.
All right. How's it going here?
It's gone. There's just
They-
a
they
lot
might-
of flipping snow.
Yeah,
but-
they might have to get in front of that door too.
and
There's 2 doors.
everything's pushed like way
Way back?
back. Is that?
Yeah, you just push it off. Because
Okay.
I think they did that. They pushed it all the way
Okay.
back. Do that. So, but yeah, make sure they get the door, you know, shovel those entry door.
Oh, okay.
And then there's one by the garbage too, entry
Okay.
door.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
So if you call, I know it's something happened. Huh?
Pretty much.
Yeah, it's, windshield's cracked on that. But we'll get in. It's all right.
Huh?
Get the scoop shovel from Emily.
Oh yeah, she's got that.
Yeah, she's got that. It's way easier. Look at that. Man. So Michael's got the snow wolf here. A lot of shoveling today, a lot of shoveling. Sunday, you guys. And the storm was Friday. Yeah, Friday we had the snow, and then we were out moving snow Friday when the snow came down. But today, you guys, we're gonna go and do some touch up to finish up the college, since we didn't do the college. We didn't have to do the college early, so we left it for today. It is, oh shoot, I don't have my, I'm not gonna run back in. It's too cold to run back in. 1 degrees right now, wind chill, like probably negative 15, 20 degrees. And so Ashley's gonna, today's a perfect day to train Ashley for it's just nice to have backup, guys. And she's willing to learn. She messaged me, we messaged each other yesterday, and she said she wanted to come out and help us today. And so she will be going out with us today. We got 3 sites I gotta do, 2 radio towers and a farm site that I gotta do full cleanup. So I'm gonna go hit them up first before the team comes in. We're gonna go out at 5 p.m. It's 12 right now, 12 p.m. Give me a few hours to get them sites hopefully done. I might have to go with the skid loader at the tower site, one of the tower sites, radio tower sites. But a full cleanup at the college for sure. And then who knows, up on industrial, I'm gonna go check that out. We might have to do full cleanup. It was windy, you guys, yesterday. Very windy, 40-50 mile an hour winds. And so I'm gonna go check them out. The townhomes, we're gonna go touch them up, clean out the sidewalks and stuff. Just do that, so yeah, let's get today started.